Hello my dear students, can you solve this particular question? If you can, definitely pause the video and solve it out and share the answer in the comment box. If you don't know how to solve, then you're advised to watch the video because this question is going to be very important for your upcoming exams. And the method that I am going to share with you is easiest method, and you will definitely solve this question within few seconds and save time for the other questions in the exam. So let's learn how to solve this particular question. Here it is given that a man rose from A to B upstream and B to A downstream in 12 hours. So if this is the starting point and this is the ending point, then from here till here he is going and coming back the same distance. Now while going upstream and downstream, total time he is taking is 12 hours. Now it is given the distance between A and B is 240 km and this distance is 240 km. The time taken by the man to row 6 km downstream is identical to the time taken by him to row 4 km upstream. As the exact downstream speed and upstream speed is not given, let us assume that upstream speed is u km/h and downstream speed is d km/h. Now in both the cases he is traveling from A to B or B to A, that means distance is same, so he is traveling 240 km. While he is traveling 240 km upstream, his time taken will be 240 km, that is distance divided by upstream speed. Similarly, when he is traveling 240 km downstream, the distance divided by downstream speed will get the time. And the total time, if we add, then it is given that total he is taking 12 hours. So total he is taking 12 hours to cover the whole journey. Now again it is said that the time taken by the man to row 6 km downstream is identical to the time taken by him 4 km upstream. So when he is traveling 6 km downstream, so the time taken by him will be 6 km divided by downstream speed, that is d. That is equal to given to be 4 km upstream distance divided by 4 km upstream speed, that is distance by speed time. As these two times are given to be identical, so we are equating. Now if we solve this equation, you will get d by u equal to 3 by 2 by cross multiplication. So let us assume downstream speed to be 3x and upstream speed to be 2x. And let us put the value in the our equation. So if we put here, you will get 240 divided by 2x plus 240 divided by 3x, that will be equal to 12. Now if we just take 240 common, then it will be in multiplication. We can just take this 240 on the other side, it will be in division. So we are getting 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3x if we take 240 common, and this 240 will be in multiplication here. Let us take on the other side, it will be 12 by 240. If we cancel it out, you will get 12 20s are 240. So we are getting 1 by 20. So by further solving, you will find that x is equal to 50 by 3. Now let us put the value of x here. So in place of downstream, that is 3x, if we put, then you are getting 3 into 50 by 3. That means here downstream you are getting 50 km/h. And in place of upstream, if you put, then 2 into 50 by 3, that means 100 by 3 you are getting as the upstream speed. But you need the value or the speed of the stream. So now as we know the downstream and upstream speed, we can easily find out the speed of the stream, that is downstream minus upstream divided by 2. So here downstream is 50, so let us write 50 minus upstream, that is 100 by 3 divided by 2. So let us solve here. 3 into 50, you are getting 150. 150 minus 100, that is 50. 50 by 3. So you are getting 50 by 3, and we had a 2 over here, so multiply by 2 in the denominator. So 2 into 25, you will get 50. So 25 by 3. So 25 by 3 kilometer per hour is the speed of the stream. That is option 2 is your correct answer. So if you find the content of this video helpful, like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And if you want to watch this important sums chapter wise, then you will find all things are arranged according to the chapters in our playlist. So go through the playlist of our channel. See you in the next video with new important concept. Till then, stay safe, keep practicing and improve your skills.